Okay, now you'll need a pair of scissors, and you have 4 sides to this square, okay? You want to make sure that when you do this that you leave at least 2 corners to be able to line it up on this paper, all right? And before I go any further, what I want you to do is to turn your paper over and write your name and whatever class period you have, okay? So if you have first period, put first period. If you have second, third, fourth. Okay, now turn it back over so that you have this. You are going to take this and you're going to cut a shape out of each side, but don't cut away 2 of the corners. If you want to, you can make sure you don't cut away any corner. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on one side, and I'm just going to go up and just cut whatever kind of shape I want. I'm coming back around to this side, and I'm keeping both pieces, okay? I still have 2 corners right here. Now I'm going to turn my paper, and I am going to cut a shape. It could go as deep into it as you want. And I think I'm going to cut this corner off. And come back around to this side. Okay. Still keeping these pieces. Do not throw anything away. Now I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to start on this side, and I'm just randomly cutting a shape. I don't really care what it looks like. And I'm going to just come back to that same side, and I'm going to keep that corner. Okay, keep the piece. Then I'm going to turn it, and I'm going to cut one more shape. I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to come back to this side. All right. Now, once you have that, you should have one big piece left. Okay? Now, what I want to do is make sure these all fit in there. That works. That works. And that works. Okay. All right, so I'm going to take this piece, and I am going to trace it on every one of these squares. And the reason why you wanted to keep at least 2 corners is so that you can line up your corners on your grid. So you're going to see me trace this on all 12 squares. I'll do a couple of them. Make sure it doesn't move. If it does, you got to line it right back up. Now you do not, when you pick it up, you're going to trace it again, but make sure you don't turn it. So you're going to move it over here, and you're going to continue tracing it on each box, okay? And then I'll come back in a minute and show you what it looks like once it's traced on each box.